Unit 17.
Absorb. Absorb is a verb. To absorb is to soak up or take in. To absorb also means to keep the attention of something or someone. A sponge can absorb every last drop of water. Now you say the word. Absorb. Absorb. Amateur. Amateur is a noun. An amateur is someone who does something for pleasure and not for money, or someone who does not have much experience. The young boy wanted to be a professional singer, but sang with his choir as an amateur. Now you say the word. Amateur. Amateur. Channel. Channel is a noun. A channel is the deepest part of a river or a body of water that links two larger ones. A channel is also a long, narrow groove, a band of radio waves, or a course of action. Many ships pass through the channel between England and France. Now you say the word. Channel. Channel. Channel is a verb. To channel is to make a long, narrow groove or to direct or focus. They began to channel through the rock. Now you say the word. Channel. Elegant. Elegant is an adjective. Elegant means showing beauty, high quality, and good taste. The diamond is an elegant jewel. Now you say the word. Elegant. Elegant. Grace. Grace is a noun. Grace is ease and beauty of movement, or charming or pleasing quality. Grace also is a short prayer at meals. The horse galloped with incredible grace. Now you say the word. Grace. Grace. Grace is a verb. To grace is to add beauty or honor to something or someone. Will she grace our party with her presence? Now you say the word. Grace. Inspect. Inspect is a verb. To inspect is to look over closely. Please inspect the clothes for any damage. Now you say the word. Inspect. Inspect. Lame. Lame is an adjective. Lame means stiff, sore, or not able to move properly. Lame also means weak, not satisfactory. I cannot swim because of my lame leg. Now you say the word. Lame. Lame. Suspend. Suspend is a verb. To suspend is to hang something in order to allow its free movement. To suspend is also to stop for a time or interrupt, or to bar from a position or privilege. Please suspend those streamers from the ceiling. Now you say the word. Suspend. Suspend. Tiresome. Tiresome is an adjective. Tiresome means annoyingly dull or exhausting, unexciting. Scrubbing the kitchen floor can be tiresome. Now you say the word. Tiresome. Tiresome. Tranquil. Tranquil is an adjective. Tranquil means free from trouble or disturbance. Quiet. The tranquil lake is relaxing. Now you say the word. Tranquil. Tranquil.